Good afternoon, sweet munchkins. I have to show you something. Just look, we're having snow. And I'm going to take a picture of this pretty and I'm going to take a picture of these pretty birds. So I hope they show up. They're cardinals. Let me see here. I love them. The cardinals, the birds are everywhere. Can you see them? I made sure I put food out for them earlier. I can't go up this hill. I don't know if there's some I think there's some bluebirds in here. The cardinals need to come back. I try to be quiet. Well, I had more cardinals, but they kind of took off. It's beautiful out here. You will not believe it, sweet munchkins. After this, I'm going to take my shower. Karen and I are watching a good movie. Guess what we're watching? The Blues Brothers. Oh, yeah, come on, sweetie. And it's a good day to watch a good movie. Let's look. The cardinals are in the tree. I'm kind of whispering because if you talk too loud, they all go away. Oh, they're everywhere. It is beautiful, beautiful out here, sweet munchkins. Let's look. I'm back. I'm beside of Connie's car. I'm going to take a video in a minute of her new car. But look here. This look. My sweet neighbor this morning, he iced the driveway. Not iced the drive. He salted the driveway. He's so sweet. He's always good to us. I love it. It's beautiful. We don't have to be out today. I did some more shopping yesterday. So, this is awesome. My sweet munchkins. I hope Angel's going to be proud of me. And I'm going to go a little way down. Connie better not see me. If she sees me, she's going to be hollering. Don't go in this. Don't go down the driveway. But it's crunchy. The snow is crunchy. This look is crunchy. I'm gonna go a little ways. I put on some good shoes. Just look. We're gonna be out. We're gonna be home for a while, for a few days. But that's okay. We got prepared. We used to have our Christmas decoration. Some of it out. But that's okay. I can go on the other side. If I go on the other side and Connie spots me, you know what? It wouldn't be too pretty. Oh, there's a cardinal on the bird feeder. Oh, sweet munchkins. I'm back, sweet munchkins. Here's Connie's new car. Isn't that beautiful? She had an accident a few weeks ago and totaled her car. We had a rental car for a few weeks. It's under the carport. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. The cardinals came back. I'm sorry I'm whispering. You know, they can hear everything. Look. Oh, don't fly away. Maybe they come back. Let me go from the front here, see Connie's car. I'm doing my best, sweet people, munchkins, because if I don't want to, I'm going to fall, and I don't want to break nothing. You see, I'm already in the yard some. Let me see if I get it. I'm a little bit disoriented because I have to watch myself. You see, isn't that beautiful? I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to stand under the carport, munchkins, sweet munchkins, and I'm going to be quiet so I can draw the birds and take a picture. Sweet munchkins, I'm going to go back in the house and I'm going to try to take another video after a while. I love you with all my heart. Bye-bye. I'm waiting for the birds to come back. I'm on my back deck and I want to take another picture. And for some reason, those little boogers, they know when you're looking, they know when you're coming. So I'm going to be quiet for a while and see what I can do. sweet munchkins. It is 1 a.m. I'm kinda night owl again tonight. I'm fixing to go to bed. And I thought I'd come out here and take a video. Look how beautiful it is out here. It's calm. We had a lot of snow today. Several inches. The neighbors are asleep. But this night owl, is still up. But I will go to bed shortly. I'm going to take a short video. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the sky. The neighborhood. It is dark, I hope the video will do good. I want Angela to be proud of her mama. I hope she is. I always want to do what's best to my ability, my knowledge. Oh, there's a doggy across. The doggy, can you hear the doggy across? I used to talk to him. He's a German Shepherd. Okay, sweet munchkins. I want to say good night until in the morning. Bye-bye.